Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can fix a problem you might be having where you cannot share reels to other people. So let's get right into it. Now this might be happening because of a few different things. It might be a local software corruption of your Instagram app. Your account might be shadow banned or prevented from sharing reels due to previous activity, or it might just be a false flag or a glitch in Instagram systems where you'll need to send a report to them. But let me start in order. So firstly, what it can be is a software issue. So what you're going to need to make sure first is that your internet connection is good and at full speed. Do a speed test online, troubleshoot it, restart your router, and if nothing works, then try and contact your ISP. They might be what's causing your connection outage. If that doesn't work, then you can go over into your settings, go into Instagram storage and clear the cache, since that might be causing corruption and might be causing you problems. Other than that, you can go to your app marketplace, make sure Instagram is fully updated, and if it's not updated, then do update it. If it is updated to the latest version, you can try downgrading it to a previous one by deleting it and installing a previous patch, or you can go ahead and completely reinstall the app just as is, and that might fix it. And if none of that fixes it, if the software glitch doesn't resolve on its own, then you should go ahead and make sure that your contacts or your followers or the person you're trying to send the reels to isn't banned, didn't deactivate their account, didn't block you, etc. And if none of that is the case, then I'm pretty sure that you're going to need to report it to Instagram and wait for them to fix any problems they might be having, and they will get in contact with you in a couple of days after you send the report. And that is basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.